let me ask you something real. What's the point of working every single day if you never have time to actually live? You can always make more money, but you'll never make more time. If you don't create something that buys back that time, you'll spend your best years building someone else's dream while your own family watches from the sideline. My name is Trevor Calais, former military veteran, and I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with the done-for-you system that creates an additional 5 to 10K per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never get to see because I've automated and delegated every part of that process, and each one of those vehicles bring me in additional 1 to 3,000 per car per month. And the best part about it is anybody can do this as long as you follow the same strategies and systems that we provide to you. And today I want to talk to you about something way deeper than money: buying back your time. Because in the end, time with your family will always be worth more than any paycheck. Here's what a lot of people think: if I just work hard, grind longer, and stay loyal, one day I'll have my time. That's a default belief, and it's one of the biggest lies society has ever sold us. Because here's the truth: the harder you work for someone else, the less time you have for yourself. The more hours you trade for money, the faster your life disappears. You'll never get freedom from the same systems that profit from your time. Time isn't money. Time is life, and when it's gone for good. Do it like this: you don't buy freedom with more hours, you buy it with assets. Assets work when you don't. They pay you when you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your kids. That's why leveraging something simple like Turo, a car sharing platform that turns your vehicle into income producing assets, is one of the smartest ways to buying back your time. Because you're not just renting out cars, you're reclaiming your time, your peace, and your family's freedom. Here's how this works in real life. Leverage what you already have. Start with your own vehicle or use credit and business funding to acquire one. That one car can generate 1 to 3,000 a month on Turo while you're still working your 9 to 5. Automate that system. You can automate messages, pickups, drop-offs, cleaning, and tracking. The business runs itself, so you're not trading time for money. Scale slowly but strategically. Once that first car starts paying for itself, you add another, then another. Before you know it, your fleet is bringing in consistent income and you're not tied to anyone's schedule but your own. Reinvest it into freedom. Use the profits to pay off debt, buy more assets, or even retire your spouse from their job. That's how financial independence starts. One car, one system, one move at a time. Here's where a lot of people mess this up though. They think they'll figure it out later. They wait for the right time to start. They think one job or one income is enough security. But the truth is this: time won't wait for you. Your kids won't stay young. Your parents won't always be around. Your moments won't repeat themselves. You have to decide what matters most: your comfort zone or your family's future. Here's the shift: money isn't the goal, freedom is. You're not building wealth just to buy more things. You're building wealth to buy your time back so you can live. When you have assets producing income for you, life slows down. You can start showing up to games, dinners, vacations, and moments that used to pass by you because you were stuck at work. And honestly, that's the true reward. Not the car, not the cash flow, the freedom to be with your family and build with your family. When I left the military, I was working non-stop trying to stay afloat. I barely saw my family. I thought I was doing the right thing, working hard, paying bills, providing. But what I didn't realize was I was trading my time for survival, not freedom. Once I learned how to leverage credit, access business funding, and build a fleet of Turo vehicles, everything for me changed. Every car started making me more money every single month. And because everything was automated, I got my time back. Now I can spend more time with my wife, my kids, and still grow my business because my assets are working while I'm living. And that's what I want for everyone watching this. Not just money, but time freedom. Yo, what's going on? It's Trevor Calais, CEO and founder of Let's Go Hustle. And I appreciate you for tuning into this video. But look, information without action is worthless. We have the blueprint. All you have to do is follow it. Right now is your time to execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 and I will personally reach back to you and we can see if we can get you qualified for any of our services. And if you're interested in anything that my business offers, don't wait. Take action now. So let me ask you this: how much is your time worth? What's the value of seeing your kids grow up, spending dinner with your spouse, or being able to take a day off without worrying about bills? Because if you don't build something that buys back your time, you'll spend the rest of your life selling it to the lowest bidder. Time is the only thing you can't get back. Every day you wait is a day you'll never get again. If you knew that starting a simple business like Turo could buy back your time, give you freedom, and help you actually live life on your own terms, wouldn't you at least want to learn how it works? Wouldn't it make sense to build something that lets you be with your family and make money at the same time? If that's you and you know you need your time back, I want you to text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's gonna come straight to my phone and I'll show you exactly how to leverage assets, credit, and automations to buy back your time for good. Because at the end of the day, it's a lot better to own your time than to lose it working for somebody else, building somebody else's legacy. Let's build our own legacies. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Peace. I appreciate you for watching.